Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this nail look for $6, keep watching. Okay guys, so right here I'm just showing you the nails that I picked up from Walmart. The brand is Salon Perfect. On the set it says Modern French Nail Set, a modern take on the classic French manicure. So the length of these nails are long, the shape is coffin, it has a warm pink color, and it has a matte finish. This set comes with 24 nails, a nail file, and glue. You will need rubbing alcohol to wipe off your nails, get any dirt off. You will need cotton swabs to do that as well, cotton rounds. You will need a nail file to buff your nails and to shape nails if the shape isn't what you desire. And you'll also need nail glue, but this is just the type of glue I decided to use because it's a brush on, and I like to use the brush on one instead of the one that comes in the packaging. And then you'll just need some fingernail clippers and some tools to like push your cuticles back, and that's about it. Okay, right here, I'm just sizing the nails to my natural nails to make sure that they fit. And at the back of each nail, they have a number, so it doesn't make it hard for you when you're trying to find the other nail to match your other hand. You could just look at the numbers and see which one fits your hand. And then I go in with my rubbing alcohol and I clean off my nails. I file my nails down, and then I push my cuticles back, and then I'll just start putting each nail on, and I'll just let you guys watch that. here is the finished product of these nails. They're so freaking cute. I used to get my nails done like this all the freaking time, and I didn't pay no $6 damn for them. So this is definitely a steal, and you could do it yourself, and you don't have to worry about sanitary issues at a nail salon or somebody cutting you or all that kind of stuff. So I would definitely recommend these nails, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and also keep watching because I'm about to drop the giveaway details. And once again, thank you guys so much for getting me to over 500 subscribers now. We're close to 600 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, have a great day. Peace. Okay, y'all, so I will be conducting this giveaway via Instagram, but the winners will be announced on Instagram and in next week's YouTube video on March 15th, 2020. So to enter this giveaway, you must be following me on Instagram at ArneishaNicole_, and you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. I will be checking. You must share the giveaway post from my page onto your Instagram story, and you must tag 3 friends under that post that I will be posting on my Instagram page. Okay? And the winner will receive 8 packs of Bay Locks in 20 inches, the braiding hair, it's the crochet hair from Bobby Balls, and the Ultra Bangin' Pony in the style Ingrid. So I will be taking entries until Saturday, March 14th at midnight Eastern time. So make sure you guys enter, and make sure you read all the information underneath the post, and I can't wait to pick the lucky winner.